American Prepper coming at you from the bunker. My gun talk video, I don't know why you guys just don't put that stuff in the comments. But I got a lot of emails and they wanted to argue with me. Well, I can settle this argument very easily. Now again, I'm going to say, I like the Glock. It's a good gun. Okay, but when I was talking about how the safety is on the trigger, all you have to do is look up the Waco raid where the ATF went in on the Branch Davidians, which I'm not even going to open that can of worms because that's a sensitive subject with me. If you watch while they're raiding the compound, their church, their home, they call it a compound. If you watch while they're raiding their church, their home, and you watch those guys going up the ladder, one of the ATF agents reached down to grab his Glock. Pay close attention. You might have to watch it a couple times. But when you watch him climbing up that ladder, and it's on YouTube, by the way. If you watch him reach down and grab that gun, that Glock, while he's climbing up the ladder under stress, it went off and shot him in the leg. Now, it could have just as easily went off and missed his leg and hit the person below him in the head or anywhere. That's the danger of the safety being on the Glock. Now, I always do the pros and cons. A good thing about the safety being on the Glock is I have seen under stressful situations people fumbling for their safety when the safety's on the trigger. That's the good part about a Glock. You're not trying to get your gun off safety so you could use it. But with a revolver, you don't have that problem. With a Glock, you have to chamber it, or if it's already chambered, the moment you touch that trigger, it's ready to go. That's a good thing and a bad thing. It's a matter of perception. Like I said, you do you. But I strongly recommend you look up that. It's on YouTube. You got to search to find it because they try to hide it. When the ATF rolled in there and raided them people's home, church, compound, whatever you want to call it. That ATF agent, highly trained, highly skilled, practiced it over and over again, shot himself in the leg. That could have been just as easily missed his leg and hit his battle buddy that was below him on that ladder. So I got a lot of emails, about that. Just put them in the comments. You don't have to email me. And so it comes down to training. It really comes down to your training. So train, train, train. I cannot emphasize that enough. You may have to fight to get to your sidearm. That's where boxing, MMA, that's where all that comes in. Is you may have to fight before you can get to that sidearm. That is another reason why I am a strong advocate of carrying a knife. You just pull it out and go to work if they're that close. If you know human anatomy, you can end that fight very quickly. But I had to do a follow-up on this because of all the emails I got. So just to prove my point, go watch that video. You'll see that guy shoot himself in the leg. It is what it is. All American prepper. Stay strapped, stay ready, stay dangerous, and have a blessed day.